Hey there. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're going on a fantastic journey with one of the greatest minds ever, Aristotle. Get ready to discover how he became the world's first animal scientist. Picture this. Over 2,300 years ago, Aristotle spent his days on the beautiful island of Lesbos. He was fascinated by all the creatures he saw, especially in the Pira Lagoon, which we now call the Gulf of Colony. He watched, took notes, and began to understand the amazing world of marine biology. Aristotle didn't just look at animals. He studied them closely. He wrote detailed descriptions in his books, creating the first systematic study of biology. His observations were so accurate that modern scientists still use some of his ideas. Did you know that Aristotle named over 500 species of birds, mammals, and fish? He even dissected around 35 animals to learn about their insides. Talk about dedication. Aristotle discovered 5 major biological processes: metabolism, how bodies use food for energy, temperature regulation, keeping warm or cool, information processing, how bodies respond to the world, embryogenesis, how babies develop before they're born, and inheritance, how traits are passed down. These ideas were so detailed that modern scientists could even create mathematical models based on them. Imagine Aristotle watching a chick hatch from an egg, marveling at the process. His careful observations and questions helped shape the way we understand life today. Aristotle wrote many books on biology, like History of Animals, Parts of Animals, and On the Soul. These writings make up about a quarter of all his surviving works. That's a lot of knowledge. Aristotle's ideas spread far and wide. Medieval scholars in the Islamic world studied his works and translated them into Latin, bringing his knowledge back to Europe. While some of his ideas were later challenged, many of his observations, especially in marine biology, were found to be true. So, what do you think? Aristotle's curiosity and dedication made him a true pioneer in biology. Join us next time as we explore other fun facts. Thanks for joining us.